Diez of Diez Knives, Texas Blade Show, and we're going to take a look at some of his offerings.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we're here at the Texas Blade Show, table 8D. I got a Titan out here, and I got the little matching little Amigo with the matching sheets. If you're interested, they're on my website at DiezKnives.com. Matchy with the orange and black.
Sweet.
Something new is tomahawk. Camp hatchet, I should say. With ammonia.
Full tang.
Handles.
What steel is that?
This is 80 CRV2. Barong. Got a little different kind of grinds on them. Got some acorns.
You got Diez nuts.
Yep, Diez nuts. And I got this, this is a Berserker. It's got a shredded money for the handles, green liner, along with the green Kydex sheet.
Is it literal dollar bills?
Yeah, there's money in there. I think at a Blade Show Atlanta, I had a knife handle that had gold flakes inside of it. And this one here is kind of cool. I started doing these little small guys, and this is the sheet for it. And it's got a Kydex welt instead of leather welt. That's cool. To kind of match the sheath and the handle together. Then I got this one here, Kydex with an ostrich leather inlay. The blade for it.
It's a cute little thing.
And this is actually set up for right hip, but if you unscrew this and you put it here, it'll be left hip, but you'll have the skeleton side of the sheath on. Then I got the mushroom. This is the mid-sized cookery.
So why is it called the mushroom?
Oh, because
just because the sheath?
Because the sheath has got the magic mushrooms on it.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was mushroom because it's for mushroom harvesting.
No. And then this is the SR10 with the segmented handles. With the gator, this is part of the inside of the leg of a gator or crocodile. I forget which one it was. And this is a set up for left or right hip carry.
Man, that's gorgeous. Little neck kukris?
Oh yeah, little mini neck. These were the neck kukris. Comes with the sheath. You can either put some paracord in here and hang it off your neck, or tech lock, or anything with any belt loop attachment or molly lock malice clip with a 3/4 inch hole spacing. That's the mini kukri. Then I got this guy right here. This is the river rat. And Tops is actually designing, or I'm going to be coming out soon, hopefully, with the Tops knives, a version of the river rat.
Cool.
All right, see you guys on the website, DiezKnives.com, under cutlery.
All right. Julio, thank you very much. Have a great show. Make lots of money. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment. Check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.